For successful accurate cup placement during thaw with the aid of NavitoolHip App, 2 physical devices, A, the case iPhone probe tool, CIPT, and B, the clamp tool, CT, have to be 3D printed according to surgeon preference material, stainless steel, Ultim or PEEK, which can be sterilized according to manufacturer-owned specification and guidelines. STL or OBJ files can be downloaded for free from our website. The unsterilized iPhone should be placed in a sterilized waterproof sealable bag. The surgeon should place the iPhone in the case place of the case iPhone probe tool, CIPT, which is previous sterilized according to manufacturer guidelines for the 3D printed material specification. A case iPhone probe tool, CIPT. This device is dedicated for surface registration and the same instrument combined with the next instrument. The clamp works as position detector. The tool consists of the case, in which the iPhone sits, and the rod. Rod has predefined length and it is attached perpendicular to the phone's case, at the point where factory defined as the centrum of the iPhone. A clamp tool, CT. This tool is a simple clamp attached to the handle of the inserter or reamer that has a slot designed to receive perpendicular the pointer tip side of the case iPhone probe tool, CIPT. The clamp tool must be positioned at 16.5 centimeters away from the tip of the inserter or reamer.